Hello my rosebuds and greetings from South Korea. I just felt like I was selling you something from South Korea. Anyways, so I'm here in South Korea. That's why my background is like kind of different and not my usual frames and couch and Oliver in the background. I'm at Hotel Cappuccino in Gangnam and I'm filming this video because I really wanted to film my little lookbook for this video in Korea, so yeah. But anyways, yeah, so I did not know that it's already back to school season. I was like, wait, I feel like people just graduated like last week. I am not prepared right now. So in the spirit of back to school, I wanted to make a broken bougie back to school inspired video for outfit ideas and some tips on how to style your basic outfits on a budget. Because I mean, really, buying new clothes shouldn't be like a priority for back to school because you're already spending so much money on books, for school supplies, on your tuition. Buying new clothes isn't really like something you need, but you also still want to look really cute going back to school. Like, you don't want to look like trash or anything like that. Before we jump into this video, I do want to quickly talk about the app Shop Tagger, who I am partnering with for this video. Shop Tagger is an app that helps you save money when you're shopping, which is like perfect for you and, you know, us babes out there that like to live that broke and bougie lifestyle. I have way too much clothes, way too much that it can't even fit into my apartment, but I am not rich at all. Personally, for me, I use coupon codes all the time. It doesn't matter like what I'm buying. If I'm spending money online, I am going to search for a coupon code. Doesn't matter if it's like concert tickets or a plane ticket or clothes, shoes, whatever. I love discounts. I love when things go on sale because that way I could save more and use that money to buy other things. So my thought process is like the $10 that I saved, I'm still gonna spend it, but I'm going to spend it on another thing that's worth $10. So I'm not really like saving money when I'm shopping for clothes. I'm mainly like shopping smarter. You know what I mean? I have a link down in my description box for Shop Tagger, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. And the way to use Shop Tagger is ultra super easy. All you have to do is click on your favorite store and window shop like you normally would. Then you would click the Shop Tagger icon when you find an item that you like, and that item will be saved to your account. So the items that you like will be saved in a tab called My Items, and then from there you guys can sort and organize them into different wish lists. And then when these items go on sale or when there's a really good deal on it, you guys will be notified by Shop Tagger. So you'll get a notification and Shop Tagger will be like, girl, like that jacket that you've always wanted or those shoes that you've always wanted are on sale. Time to buy them now. Like, they won't actually say it like that. That's just me if I was the Shop Tagger app. Yay! Iris stopped by and brought snacks. Thank you. Labor Day sale is coming up really soon, and I don't know about you guys, but I personally love shopping during this season because the deals are like great. So what I'm gonna do and what I suggest you guys do if you like to shop during this season as well is to do all your shopping now on Shop Tagger. So when the Labor Day sales do come, you'll know exactly what the good deals are and when to buy those items because Shop Tagger will notify you. So again, I have a Shop Tagger link down in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss on the next time that I post. This Korean lighting though is like great. I'm moving here for the lighting, guys, and for BTS, just saying. Anyways, onto some broken bougie back to school styling tips. So my number one favorite tip and probably one of the most important tips is to accessorize. Accessorizing is such a big thing. So you could take like the most basic outfit, throw some accessories on it, and it'll be great. So this outfit I'm wearing, most basic dress ever. Literally just a plain black, boring old dress. But because I threw on a belt and like this chain detail, it honestly just like transformed it into something else. So this would be something that I would wear on a Monday because it's like, hey, you just came from the weekend and you want to look cute. You still want to be comfy because you probably were like partying a lot on the weekend, maybe, I don't know. My second tip is to match items together. Matching sets aren't for everyone, to be honest, but I really like them. I just feel like having a matching set kind of like makes it a full outfit. So this is an example of how you can style like a basic t-shirt and jeans. Obviously this isn't a t-shirt, it's like a bodysuit, but it's like the same idea. So instead of just wearing t-shirt and jeans, match a jacket to drape over your top that matches your bottoms. And it kind of makes it a full set because it's like giving you that illusion. So it could be something as simple as like black jeans and a black denim jacket over top. For example, my outfit, not a matching set at all. I just happen to have an acid wash jacket and acid wash denim jeans. I just really like the denim on denim look. I don't know, to me I feel like the jacket kind of just tied everything and brought everything together. Okay, so for my third tip, I would say layering is key because you could just like transform any basic outfit, layer stuff, put stuff on it, and it could be like a totally different outfit. So in this outfit, I'm wearing an oversized tee, but to kind of change it up, I'm wearing a mesh long sleeve underneath. This mesh top is another top that I would wear by itself. Obviously, like I would wear a bralette under it, like not just like by itself, like just mesh, but I'm also using it as a layering piece, and it was like ultra cheap. Like I think this top was like $10. That would be my Wednesday outfit. Just an oversized shirt, no pants, not trying to really impress anyone yet because it's Wednesday. You've already been in school for like 3 days, but the weekend is still like really far. For my fourth tip, I would suggest splurging on key pieces. And I know the word splurge doesn't go hand in hand with the word save, but if you're only splurging like maybe once a month on like a key piece, nothing like too crazy expensive, technically you're like saving up money for something. I'm not saying to spend like $2,000 on a bag that you would wear every day. I use this Supreme bag like all the time. This bag actually was not that expensive. I mean, it is now. After resale and everything, like it's over $100, when really I only spent $60 on this bag. I was like walking in the middle of Melrose and some guy stopped me and he was like, "Can I buy your bag for $200?" And I'm like, wait, what? So I could literally be wearing a trash bag, but if I wear a trash bag and then wear this bag over top, people might think that my trash bag is like a nice trash. I don't know. You guys get the point though. So the outfit that I'm wearing the Supreme bag with is ultra cheap. Like this is just like a gray basic bodysuit, and these shorts are like $5 shorts. But because I have this Supreme bag crossing over my outfit, you would assume that the shorts are probably from some other like high-end streetwear brand. But what I'm saying is a key piece can really boost and like up your outfit no matter how cheap it really is. So for Thursday's outfit, still kind of lazy because it's your fourth day at school, but the weekend's almost here, so you kind of want to give it like a little sporty look. And my last and final tip is to check out your local thrift store for some unique items. I love that tip because like I thrift all the time. You guys already know that, because I feel like that also kind of just like makes your outfit a little bit better. So I posted this outfit on my Instagram story, and I kid you not, like I got so many DMs on like where my outfit was from. Pretty much like all of it was like really cheap stuff. Like it looks like it could like be like a $45 outfit. In reality, this outfit probably cost me like $10. So the gold top that you guys think is a dress is actually just a men's satin gold button-up shirt. But what I'm saying is that you don't come across like gold satin men's button-up shirts very often, so that's a pretty unique piece. The gold chain belt I also thrifted as well. The clear gold belt that's also bedazzled I got at my local swap meet for like $6. The chain belt was $2 and the men's gold satin top was like $2. Super cheap items, but everyone like still really liked the outfit. Like who would have thought that's like a men's gold satin button-up top and not a dress? So yeah, those are just some basic, really stylized outfits that I would wear for school. You might have to tweak some of the outfits a little bit if you're at like a high school and you guys have like really strict dress codes, but for the most part I think it's pretty universal. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed these tips and these outfit ideas, please give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that. Don't forget to check out Shop Tagger's link down at the bottom so you guys can start saving money. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. Say bye, Iris. Reach out like this, like wait. Yeah. I love you guys all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video, I'll be in America. Love you guys all. Bye.